Hi everybody, thanks for watching. This is our microwave. It is a GE model JVM3160RF5SS. The SS is the finish, the stainless steel. Some notes about it. It is a 1.6 cubic foot interior microwave capacity, 1,000 watts. Those are somewhat industry standard, but it works well for a good family home microwave. This is an above the range microwave, of course, and that means it is just shy of 30 inches wide, so it can be a standard fit into cabinetry. We've had this for about a year, and I like to do my reviews that way, so I'm not just opening something out of the box and reviewing it without using it for a while. So we've used it a year, and we really like it. I was mostly impressed by how quiet it was compared to our old one, and that's a good thing because you still have conversations in the kitchen. And the microwave capacity being 1.6 cubic feet means it can cook a family meal in there. On the interior, we can see that there's not a lot of bumps, which make it easier to clean. It's got a 13.5 inch rotating carousel down there that you can pull out for cleaning. You can turn the turntable off. So some other things on the control side, you've got the clock or the timer up on top. Convenience cooking, you've got popcorn, beverage, potato, reheat, defrost, which is waiting time dependent, and a cook time. The express cook down here, these buttons are just 1 minute, 2 minute, 3 minute, 4 minute, or you can program other things. You just press one, it'll start 1 minute within a second or two. It's got a 30-second add button, turntable on off. Surface light is 2 tiered, so bright, dim, and off. Here we go. Bright, dim, off. The fan is up to 300 cubic feet per minute, so it's fairly loud, but it'll move a lot of air. Here we go. High, low, and off. Start and a pause button and a cancel button here. You can also lock the controls if you have young kids in the house that can reach this. Hold that down for 3 seconds. So, price point on this, we paid under $300, but here we go, between $250 and $300 is kind of standard. It is January 2021, and I looked online, and you can get this on Amazon for about $269 delivered, and it's worth it. We've used it without problem for a year now, and that's a good recommendation. We're a family of 4, grade school, middle school, and occasionally company comes over, and we use this thing all day long, it seems like. So I recommend it. If you want to learn more about this product, I will put a link to probably an Amazon site in the description where you can get some professional opinion, but from a father in a family of 4 right now, I recommend it. I installed it myself, took a couple hours, not too big of a deal. All right, thanks for watching.